Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part, you will be asked to read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text out loud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Good morning, residents. The City Parks Department invites you to Family Fun Day this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Oakwood Park. Activities will include live music, children's games, food trucks, and a free outdoor fitness class. Guests are encouraged to bring picnic blankets and reusable water bottles. Admission is free, and all community members are welcome.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
This is a reminder for all employees. Meeting rooms must be reserved through the company's online scheduling system before use. Please include the meeting time, number of participants, and any equipment needed. Rooms should be cleaned and vacated promptly after each meeting. If you need technical support, contact the front desk at least 1 hour in advance. Thank you for your cooperation.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to describe the pictures on the screen in as much detail as possible. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to talk about the pictures. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, 5 students are sitting around a table and working together in a classroom. They appear to be discussing an assignment because one student is pointing at a paper in the center while the others are looking at the documents closely. Several students are holding pens, and there is also a laptop open on the table. Notebooks and loose papers are spread out in front of them, which suggests they are studying or preparing a project.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, a fitness instructor is leading an exercise class in a large studio. She's standing on a platform at the front of the room, wearing a headset and raising one knee as she demonstrates the movement. Around her, several women are following along and doing the same exercise on or near their mats. Water bottles and towels can be seen on the floor, and the room looks bright and spacious with large windows on one side.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that you are talking to a family member about cooking at home. Now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
How often do you cook meals at home?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I do not cook very often because I'm not very good at it. However, I still try to prepare some simple meals at home from time to time.
Do you prefer cooking your own food or buying prepared food? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I definitely prefer homemade meals, even though I cannot cook much. I think food made at home is usually healthier, fresher, and better for family life.
In your opinion, why is it useful for people to learn how to cook?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In my opinion, it is useful for people to learn how to cook because it helps them become more independent and make healthier choices. When people know how to prepare simple meals, they do not have to depend so much on prepared food or restaurants. Cooking at home can also save money and bring families together. Even if someone is not an expert cook, learning the basics can be very practical in everyday life.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to refer to information on the screen in order to answer 3 questions. The information will be shown for 45 seconds before you hear the questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9, and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Begin preparing now.
I'd like more information about the apartments. How can I contact the leasing office, and what are the office hours?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
You can contact the leasing office by phone at 555-672-3184 or by email at leasing@maplegroveapts.com. The office is open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5.
Thanks. What are the lease terms for new residents?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
The minimum lease term is 12 months, and a security deposit equal to 1 month's rent is required. Rent is due on the first day of each month, and late payments after the 5th day are charged a $50 fee.
That works. I'm planning to move in next month. What types of units are available, and how much is the monthly rent for each one?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
There are 3 types of units available: A studio apartment costs $850 per month and includes one bathroom with an open living and sleeping area. A one-bedroom apartment costs $1,050 per month and has one bedroom, one bathroom, and a separate living room and kitchen. A two-bedroom apartment costs $1,350 per month and includes two bedrooms, two bathrooms, and a larger living area and a balcony.
Directions. In this part, we'll be asked to give your thoughts on a certain topic. It is to your advantage to speak as much as possible in the time provided. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Which of the following is the best way to learn English? Studying with a teacher, studying by yourself, taking an online English course. Choose one of the options above and explain your opinion. Give clear reasons and specific examples to support your answer. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I think studying with a teacher is the best way to learn English. One reason is that a teacher can explain grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation clearly, so students can understand difficult points more easily. When people study alone, they may repeat mistakes without noticing them. Another reason is that a teacher can give immediate feedback and correct errors right away. For example, if a student mispronounces a word or uses the wrong verb tense, the teacher can help them fix it and improve faster. This is especially important for speaking and listening skills. Of course, studying by yourself and taking an online English course can also be helpful because they offer flexibility and extra practice. However, in my opinion, studying with a teacher is the best option because it provides guidance, structure, and personal feedback, which are very important for real progress in English. You've officially finished all 11 questions. Great job! Which part did you find the most challenging today? Let me know in the comment section below. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more updated 2026 TOEIC content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay awesome!